Happy Friday, guys. November 4th. And this last week with Delphi and a lot of things, a lot of cases. Delphi in particular, that's what I'm talking about right now, has been one heart attack after another. Yesterday, the judge recused himself. I'm really not surprised, honestly. I'm really not surprised. Given the magnitude of this case, his family being contacted, that I'm sure that didn't help. His family being contacted and a statement that he made earlier this week. He said, just so the world knows, the Carroll Circuit Court consists of me. He's like, I'm the judge. It's just me. He goes on to say, my court reporter was hired Friday and began Monday. My bailiff answers the phone, has no experience and no knowledge about legal process. I kind of feel bad for the bailiff, that being thrown out there like that. That's what he's saying. Then he goes on to say, thankfully, there is a court administrator that has experience, but she has duties regarding Carroll Circuit and Carroll Superior Courts. A case of this magnitude, obviously, he's going to need a lot of help. His family being contacted doesn't help at all. And it's just going to get more complex and crazy with this case. So I was going to share this clip with you real quick. Hang on.
News tonight in the Delphi murder investigation.
This afternoon, we learned of a request to move the suspect to a state prison. The court says it's for Richard Allen's safekeeping as he waits to go on trial.
That request claims he is now in imminent danger of getting seriously hurt or killed. In fact, Allen wore body armor at his initial hearing.
And that's not all. Karen Campbell has a look at the judge's concerns for his own family as the case makes its way through the court system. Karen.
Well, in this court order, Carroll County Circuit Court Judge Benjamin Diener says he and his family don't feel safe. Now, Diener also says some members of the public are dragging his family into this, sharing content about his family on YouTube, including photos. Now, he says he's constantly getting requests for, quote, public information in this case against Richard Allen. Now, the judge goes on to write, quote, the public's bloodlust for information before it exists is extremely dangerous. All public servants administering this action do not feel safe and are not protected. He explains the court has 30 days to rule on any motion, but that he was given 7 days or 1 day when hand delivered to respond to a FOIA request or face litigation. He says all public information in this case will be available once it exists. Now, just a reminder, a FOIA request is simply a Freedom of Information request by media or the public for information that is supposed to be public. And just Diener says Richard Allen is innocent until proven guilty. And Felicia, and this just in. Now, a member of the German family tweeted that they would like to keep the court documents sealed. Now, we know that later this month there is an upcoming public hearing where the judge is going to decide if, those court records will stay sealed or if they will be released.